Hi guys, welcome to my channel Textile Engineering Vlogs. In this channel, our starting video is about overview of fibers. Now we will start our video. Introduction. Fibers are the foundation for all textile products and can be neither be natural fibers or man-made manufactured or man-made regenerated. Within these two types or groups, there are two main kinds of fibers. One is filament and second one is staple fibers. What is a filament? Fiber of indefinite, very great length called filament. What is staple fibers? Fibers of much shorter length called staple fiber. Let us show the figures of the staple fibers and filament fibers. These are the figures of filament fibers and staple fibers. Next, filaments are generally combined and twisted to form yarns, whereas staple fibers are spun to create yarns. Yarns are then typically woven or knitted into fabric. In later on videos, we will describe about the yarn and fabric also. A piece of fabric contains a huge number of fibers. For example, small piece of lightweight fabric may contain over 100 millions of fiber. In this figure, we will see the two fabrics are there. In these fabrics, we will find n number of fibers. Individual types of fibers can be used on their own or combined with other types of fibers to enhance the quality of the end product. The process for combining fibers is known as blending. There are many well-known blended fibers on the market, such as Vila, which is made of blend of cotton and wool. This is the figure of that. All fibers have a molecular structure that contributes to the specific attributes and properties also. Why the blending is to be done? To improve the performance of the resulting yarn or fabric, to improve or provide a different appearance, or to reduce cost also. Now we will get into the definition of fibers. It is defined as the one of the delicate hair portions of the tissues of a plant or animal or other substances that are very small in diameter in relation to their length. A fiber is a material which is several hundred times as long as it's thick. Fibers have been defined by the Textile Institute as units of matter characterized by flexibility, fineness, high ratio of length to thickness. And later on videos, you will see the fiber properties also. Now, fibers. Fibers are the raw material used to make textile items they are spun or twisted together to make yarns. See, these are the fibers. Again, these fibers are twisted to make a yarn. Yarns are made from fibers from either natural or synthetic sources. They are interlaced, interlooped, or bonded together to make fabrics, means weaving, knitting, and non-wovens. Fabrics are made from yarns. Different fabric types are produced by different methods of joining the yarns together. Next, types of textile fiber. These are the very important topic in textile fibers. There are three basic types of fiber groups: natural fiber, regenerated fiber, synthetic fiber. These regenerated and synthetic fibers both are known as man-made or manufactured fibers. Next, we will go to the classification of fibers, a detailed classification. First of all, natural and man-made fiber. Natural, the name itself that suggests that this is occur from nature, such as wool from sheep or cotton from cotton plants. Okay, here see animal, vegetable, animal, silk, wool, animal hair, horsehair, vegetables from seeds, cotton, from the internal bark, flax, hemp, jute, etc. From leaf, hibiscus, scissor, from fruit, coir, and again man-made fibers, artificial, synthetic. Cupro, viscose rayon, modal, acetate. In this viscose rayon, one of the first regenerated fibers was rayon, also referred to the viscose or viscose rayon, regenerated from wood and pulp. This is the main important thing. Next, synthetic, again divided into organic, inorganic, from metal, from boron, from others. From organoalkalic, fluorofiber, monoacrylic, polyester, etc. Next, in later on process, we will discuss about the cotton classification also. Now we will discuss about the one of the classification of synthetic polymer fibers, and we will learn about their definitions also. First, polyester, defined as any long chain synthetic polymer composed of at least 85% by weight of an ester of a substitute aromatic carboxylic acid, including but not restricted to substituted terephthalate units and para-substituted hydrobenzenoid units. Example: PET, PTT, PBT, PEN, PLA, high modulus, high tenacity, HMHT fibers also. Yes, dicarboxylic acid, dialcohol refers to polyester. Next, polyamide, defined as polymers having in the chain recurring amide groups, at least 85% of which are attached to allopathic or cycloallopathic groups. Example: nylon, PVA, PVC. Dicarboxylic acid, adamine, polyamide. This is the structure of the polyamide. Next, aramides. These are defined as polyamides, which each amide group is formed by the reaction of an amino group of one molecule with a carboxylic group of another. Example: Kevlar, Nomex. This is the famous examples of aramides, Kevlar and Nomex. Next, olefins, defined as manufactured fibers in which the basic unit is any long chain synthetic polymer composed of at least 85% by weight of ethylene, propylene, or other olefin units. Example: polypropylene, polyethylene. This is the structure of the olefins. Next, elastomers, defined as materials that at room temperature can be stretched rapidly to at least twice their original length, and upon immediately release will return to approximately the original length. Example: polyurethane, lycra, spandex. This is the elastomeric fibers look like. Next, alkali, defined as manufactured fibers in which the basic substance is a long chain synthetic polymer composed of at least 85% by weight of acrylonitrile units. This is the structure of alkali. Thank you one and all. And again, in later on classes, we will discuss about the classification of fibers, fiber property. If you like this video, please subscribe.